video of doing like the different types, and then my going up to 5%. So this is the part 2 right here. So I was on to this part of like mixing the toothpaste and then now we're going to add some shake. So you're gonna mix that on. I don't know what color this will be. I feel like this will be like a light sky blue kind of. Ooh, it's like you're gonna add some more of it. Now it's looking like it's like purple. How is this going to turn into slime? I'm at that point too. That's why we are going to put it in the microwave for 30 seconds. What up? Guys, I only put it in for 15 seconds because I had no idea what was going to happen. And I think it was best that I did. Ow, it's burning my eye. It's overflowing. Guys, I never put it in for more than 50 seconds because it would explode. So, think this water in there? It was jiggling. Oh, my God. I wasn't even like hot. I want to say this could work out, but it's sticky. And it's like, no, it's just like breakable. It's just like should form, but it's guys, I'm about to close this for a second, so I'm trying it. You have to make a part, oh, it's hot. I have to make a part 3. Well. This is like so cool, guys. Like if you want to do this and just feel like it's like a rainbow cloud, legit. If you want to do this and just feel like this cloud, not rainbow, why did I say rainbow? If you want to do this and just feel this cloud, then you could make this because it's like so cool. And I love this. It's just like a huge cloud. It doesn't even like fall off your fingers, and it's like super jiggly. Guys, you want to like feel this right now. Like look at this. Do you see how jiggly this is? Well, I love it. Just a huge cloud of not slime, but like shading from. Did you guys like see that? Like, watch this, guys. Do you see that like jiggle? Okay, guys. So I think I played with this enough, and I'm going to go wash my hands. But guys, that was legit awesome. This was awesome, and I love it to death. But it's time to put this one away. So that was like awesome, legit. That's so good. So now, if you guys watched my part 1 video, you know that there's a part 2. Why did I say that? You know that my first slime didn't exactly work, but it sort of worked. So now I'm going to check on it again. Guys, this is like slime consistency though. Like, I feel like this did work. I mean, yeah, it is sticky, but I mean, like it's sort of like slimy, like texture-wise. My hands are so messy right now, and I don't really even care. Okay, so I mean, I feel like that one could work out. But yeah, anyway, so the third one we're going to try out is other can. Oh, where's my other thing? Struggling to take and some other hidden thingy. Snake hydro something. Okay, so, and it's like bluish, aquish color. So if you watched my part 1, you know that I said stay tuned for 2 slime that I made at the end. Well, actually, one of them, my friend made one of them. And yeah, so, yeah. So, you're going to spray some of this cloudy stuff. Why did I just call it cloudy? I'm stupid. Okay. Whoa, that's like so satisfying, guys. Like, watch. I just got on my pants. Okay, so you're gonna fill this up like halfway. Like, you're gonna have a lot of this stuff. Whoa, guys, this is awesome. Okay, so I think I filled it halfway. That's a lot. And then mix. Whoa, guys, it's like a cloud too. Like, you're supposed to put this one in the microwave, but I'm like super scared because it's all ready to hear. So I'm thinking if I'm gonna put it in the microwave, I might need to take a little bit of it out. Because the girl, when she did it, she had a bowl like my size, and she didn't, like, it didn't come out that much. So, like, I don't know. But hers, like, worked. And I cannot, like, I got these from Pinterest, and a lot of them worked, but, like, I can't even get them to work for some reason. Oh, I can't get this crap out. Ew, this is, like, slippery. Ugh, okay. So I got most of it out. I'm about to just go in with the hands. I don't really even care anymore. Whoa! It like feels as good as the last one we did. Okay, so yeah, I feel like that's consistency. This is getting like all over my mom's blue eyes. Like, whoa. Right, so yeah, so now the next thing we need. So then you're going to take the other one too. And put some of it in there. Oh, this is so slippery. You can't even do this, guys. Should have probably put on a shirt. I don't even care now, but that didn't happen, so. And this is not working out very well. Got it. And then you're going to want a little bit of that one. It's like, here, guys. You guys are going to do this? Please do this in somewhere that you can get messy. Because if you do it here, it's like in the room. So then you're going to leave it sort of pinkish. And I'm going to go pop this in the microwave for 30 seconds. It might only be like 5. We'll see. So, oh yeah. So anyway, guys, it just kind of turned out the same way. I put in for 5 seconds again because it just keeps like turning into a jiggly cloud, and I don't get it. I'm just wasting all this stuff for nothing. It's getting so annoying. Alright guys, so I don't think any of these worked. The first one sorta, but well, the last two, no, not at all. But I mean, the last two, like these jiggly clouds, and like they're like so awesome, but then they're stupid at the same time. I'm gonna have to try to clean these bowls out really well. Yeah, so anyway, subscribe if you haven't already, and yeah, I'm about to show you the last 2 slimes I was talking about, so